You know, the worst thing you can ever do to yourself is lie to yourself, which is what I have been doing since the year started. So here's the thing. I made myself a promise, or at least set a goal, as everybody does. And the goal was to create 52 videos in 52 weeks, which is even more reasonable than I could ever imagine. And I'm aware that life might be hectic at times and a lot can occur. That might discourage me from reaching whatever I had set out to do, which is what happened. Additionally, I kept coming up with reasons why I can't accomplish the task at hand, just to realize none of them were true. What I needed was to apply pressure on myself by saying that if you have something in life that you want to do it without hesitation and do it every day. This helps, especially when it comes to art, because we sometimes have self-doubt, which might discourage you from doing what you want to do. But forcing yourself can help overcome any self-doubt and start believing again, not waiting for motivation, because that might take forever though. Anyway, enough with that. To those who are new to the channel, my name is Bonnie Odin, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a dual tone color grading in Photoshop using gradients. First things first, import your image in Photoshop. And this is my image which I found online on Pixels. It's a free site that offers stock image for practice. Make sure to check them out. Once your image is set, go to the adjustment panels. Here, select gradient. Click on gradient. This opens up the gradient editor. Then click on the left color stop to open up the color picker. Then type this color code FF00AE. Then press OK. Then click on the right color stop, delete it. And what you need to do right now is to drag the top left point to the right slightly and drag the right color stop to the left, the top right color stop to the left, to adjust the color slightly depending on your image, on how you want the effect. Then drag the middle point slightly to the right. When you're satisfied with the color, click OK. Right here on angle, type 0 to have your color on the left side. Then click OK. And what you need to do right now is to duplicate your gradient fill by pressing Ctrl J, double clicking on the gradient fill, then change the angle to 180 to have the color on the other side. Then click on gradient to open the gradient editor. Click on this color stop, then type this color code 0084FF. Then click OK. Click OK. Select both of the gradient fill layers, then change their blend mode to color. It's starting to look nice. Then press Ctrl J to duplicate both of the layers. Then change the top layers blend mode into soft light. Reduce the opacity to 30%. Now it's starting to look okay. And the next thing you need to do is to add a curves adjustment layer. Curves. Drag the shadow slider slightly up to create a soft effect. Then create a point about here in the shadows and drag it slightly down. Now your image looks softer. Merge all these effects by pressing Ctrl-Alt-Shift-E. Now what we need to do right here is to sharpen your image, because you see the image has lost its sharpness. Go into filter, convert for smart object, so that we can change the values later on. Go back to filter, others, high pass. I'll type the value of 3. Change the blend mode from normal to linear light. You can reduce the opacity depending on your sharpness, how much you want it. Zoom in to see the before and after. If you feel like the sharpness is too much, you can always reduce the opacity to 75. And there is the before and after. Press Alt, click on the background layer. That's the before, after. And there you have it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to leave a like and a comment. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.